Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how you can use guided generation with foundation model in native iOS application. So what are guided generation? It is basically you telling the foundation model in what kind of what kind of output you really require when you run your application. So here you can see this is the application which I'm running. There is no UI as such, there is only business logic, so you won't see anything on the simulator. So here you can see this is how I'm getting the output. I'm getting an array of strings, right, as you can see over here. So I have, with the help of guided generation, I can do this. Maybe you wanted the response in JSON, you can do that as well. So it's very simple. So first requirements are you require Xcode 26, and if you are like me, if you don't have a real device with Apple Intelligence available, you can just upgrade to macOS Tahoe, which is macOS 26. Then you can run foundation model on your simulator as well. You can't run foundation models on versions below macOS Tahoe. You can't run it on macOS Sequoia, so you have to update to macOS Tahoe. If in case if you have a real device, then you don't need to upgrade, but you require Xcode 26. Okay, so then first, as you can see, I have created just a UI kit application, but if you want, you can use Swift UI as well. Then here I have just created one file called search suggestion, and here you need to import foundation and foundation models. And here this is the two important things. You have to use the @generable attribute and @guide attribute. So here you can see I have created a struct search suggestion, and here I am telling it what all things are required. So I'll require a list of suggested search items. The count should be 10, and it should be an array of type string. So if you remember the output which I shown you, right, so this is why it gave me the output count as 10 in form of array of string. Then you just need to go to view controller over here, and here we import foundation model. Here we initialize language model session. Here we initialize our model as well, system language model dot default. Then here inside view did load, we just do switch model dot availability, and in case if the model is available, then we just do session dot respond, and here you can ask whatever you feel like. So I'm just asking generate a list of suggested search term for an app about visiting famous landmarks, but instead of that you can ask whatever you feel like. And the important thing is here we pass generating search suggestion dot self. In case if it is unavailable, Apple Intelligence is not enabled, then we just print this. If model is not ready, we print this, and for default use case also I'm just doing model not ready. So yeah, that's all there is to it. If you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. Thank you for watching. Bye.